Welcome back, students. In this class we continue Quadratic Equation Chapter 10, Exercise 10.3. In this class we continue the 10th question. We'll see the 10th question is: an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at the intermediate stations. So if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speeds of the two trains. So we have to find out the average speed without taking into the consideration how many stops they stop, or so we have to find out the speed of the two trains, average speed. So first we'll assume average speed as average speed of passenger train. Speed of passenger train is x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. So next step is average speed of next express train. Average speed of express train is what? See, they are given if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train, means we have taken average speed of the passenger train as x. Now the average speed of the express train will be x plus 11. So x plus 11 kilometer per hour. So this is the assumption. Next, so we'll calculate first time required for passenger train. Time required for the passenger train. For time required for traveling x kilometer is what? Time required is 1 hour. Is 1 hour. Next, for traveling 132 kilometers, and the time required is, so this is the assumption, for traveling x kilometers, time required is 1 hour. So for 132 kilometers, time required will be how much? Will be 132 by x into 1. Therefore 132 by x hour. So next, now this is for passenger train. Now we will take for the express train. Time required for express train. Same thing we have to write. For traveling, what we have to take? Here x we have taken, means here we have to take x plus 11. Since the average speed is x for passenger train and x plus 11 is for express train. X plus 11 kilometers in is 1 hour. So now for traveling 132 kilometers, what is the expression? That is 132 x plus 1 into 1 hour. So this is the all the assumption, all the data given. Now we'll continue with the problem. So we'll see next step is express train required 1 hour less comparing to passenger train. So how to write the equation? Take this 132 by x plus 11 plus 1 requires 1 hour less to the passenger train. 1 is equal to 132 by x. This is the expression. Now what we assume 1 year, then cross multiply these two. So 132 into 1 plus x plus 11 by x plus 11 is equal to 132 by x. This add these two, this becomes x plus 143 by x plus 11 is equal to 132 by x. After this, again we have to simplify. Cross multiply these two, we will get x into x plus 143 is equal to 132 into x plus 11. So x square plus 143x is equal to 132x plus 11 into 132 will be 1452. Now simplify, take these variables, 143 minus 136. So x square, simplify and write, there is 143, bring this to the other side, minus 132x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Therefore simplify this, x square 143 minus 132 will become 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now a simple working is there. So 44 plus 44 minus 33 will be plus 11, and (44) into 33 will become 44 into 33 will be 1452. So this is the working. Now just substitute here, means what we have to do is square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now take common, x into x plus 44 here minus 33 x plus 44 is equal to 0. Next is x plus 44 x minus 33 is equal to 0. Now we get x is equal to minus 44, x is equal to 33. So now what happens, we have to take, so average speed of the train. So what is the speed now? The speed should be always positive, therefore x is 33. Finally, what is the conclusion? Average speed of passenger train, since it is x, therefore it is passenger train, is 33 kilometers per hour. So this is for passenger train. For express train, finally, average, we have to write one more statement, average speed of, so what is the expression we have? Speed of express train is the expression is x plus 11. So substitute x here. What is x? We are getting 33 plus 11. Finally, what we get is 44. So that is 44 kilometers per hour. So this is the solution for the, so average speed of the both the train we have, because passenger train is x, therefore it is and the average speed of the express train is more than that of the passenger train as given in the question. So this is the solution for the 10th problem. We move on to the 11th one. 11th problem, the sum of the areas of the two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 54 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So now take this assumption, assume length of each side of a square be x meters. Next, perimeter will be 4x. So because the formula perimeter of the square, if the side is consider B, perimeter B means this is the side, then this will be perimeter will be 4B. Like this, consider this as a square having all the square will be B, these are the sides. Then perimeter will be 4B, 4 sides. So then it is given by 4x. Then also given the difference of the perimeter of two squares. Difference of the perimeters of the two squares is 24 meters. It is given. The difference of the perimeters of two squares, we are talking about two squares. Sum of areas two squares is 468 meter square is given. The difference of the perimeters they have given of two squares as 24 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the second square, therefore perimeter of second square is equal to 24 plus 4x. Okay, 24. This is the difference plus this one. 24 plus this side, this one. So now 24. Now the length of each side of second square is 24 plus 4x by 4. Now how to simplify this? Just write 24 by 4, split this denominator to both 4x by 4, 4 ones are 4 6 are 4 ones are 4 ones are. Then we'll get 6 plus x. So length of each side of the square, second square, is 24 plus 4x by 4. Then simplify this, we'll get 6 plus x meters. Next, sum of the areas of the two squares is again given. Sum of areas of two squares is 468 meters square. So now what is the conclusion? Conclusion is x square, that is the first length of each side, plus take this one 6 plus x square, length of each side of the second square. We assumed x here, then here we are getting 6 plus x the whole square is equal to 468. Now we have to simplify, apply a plus b whole square here, then we get x square plus 12x plus 6 square is equal to 468. Now continue, we'll bring it to the expression form. Simplify these two, we get 2x square plus 12x is there, then this is 36, then bring this to the other side, minus 468 is equal to 0. Simplify this. So we'll continue this. Now take the expression. Finally the expression was like this. I'll write once again. 2x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. Now subtract these two, we get 2x square plus 12x minus 216, 36 minus 468 is 216 is equal to 0. Then we have a small calculation, that is 18 minus 12 will be 6, then 18 into minus 12 will be minus 216. Now substitute here. Finally divide this expression by 2, before this divide it by 2, then we get x square plus 12x 6x 6x, this minus 10 and this divide by 2 means this is 4 something 432 minus 36, that's all. 468 minus 32, 432. Then after dividing by 2 we'll get 432 is equal to 0. So divide this whole expression by 2. So I'll write once again x square plus 6x minus 432 is there, divided by 2, then we'll get minus 216 is equal to 0. So for this, see, I have done the calculation. 18 minus 12 is 6 and 18 into minus 12 is minus 216. After this we'll substitute here x square plus 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 18 minus 12 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. So x 12 into 18 here 216. So plus 18 into minus 12 will be 216. Then take x plus 18 and x minus 12 is equal to 0. Finally we get x is equal to minus 18 and x is equal to plus 12. So sides cannot be negative in the squares, so we just say hence finally side of first square is, that is x is equal to 12 meter. Okay, next side of second square is x plus 6, which is equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18 meters. So this is the solution. They have asked us to find out the sides of the squares, 1 and 2 squares. So the first side of the first square is 12 meters, side of the second square is 18 meters. This completes the exercise 10.3. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.